Hey guys, and welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll show you what is Fitspresso supplement is, what it offers, and how to use it. So let's get started. So according to the official Fitspresso website, Fitspresso is supplement designed to support healthy weight management, metabolism, and daily energy levels. The website says that the formula uses a blend of plant-based ingredients and natural minerals intended to support the body neutral metabolic process. And as you can see here at the bottom, according to the website, these are the ingredients that will be included as well. So the name of the ingredients and a short explanation on what it does, and you can make your research as well about it. According to the website as well, the recommended way to use Fitspresso is to take one capsule daily with large glass of cold water, preferably on an empty stomach, unless your basically healthcare provider advises otherwise. The company recommends using supplements constantly for 3 to 6 months as a part of a routine. And if you would like to purchase the products, you'll find order now at the top right or buy Fitspresso. So click on whatever you want. You'll be taken here. Choose the package that you want. Click on add to carts as an example, and you'll be taken here. So once you choose the package or the package that best fits your needs, proceed to the secure checkout page, enter your shipping and payment information, and follow the on-screen instructions to complete your purchase. And according to the website, a larger package options may include additional savings, free shippings, and even some bonus digital guides as it seems here, and even like 180-day supply if you want to, or the 91 or 30-day, depending on what you want, or depending on the current promotions, they might change in the future. So if you have any questions before ordering, you can also review the bottom of the page and you can click on contact if you want to contact them directly. So if you found this helpful, hit that like and subscribe button and watch our next video.